Process 23 presentation. At Process 23, we help you build the DNA of your business. Today, I want to talk to you about building an environment free of drama. Have you ever had drama related to issues, or have you ever had to take additional time to deal with drama in your office? It's easy to get caught up in drama, and I'll be the first to admit I've been hooked on many occasions. I prefer removing the traps of drama and gossip before you can get caught. Don't set yourself up for failure. Set yourself up for success. Rule number 1, you must not tolerate gossip, whining, and drama, nor tolerate anyone who does. There must be an understanding amongst all the team members that this is how we are going to move forward from this point on. We will not tolerate drama, nor will we tolerate anyone on our team who does. Another rule is, if you did it in junior high, don't do it now. The next one is, get curious. When you have upset around a situation, get curious about it. Get curious about what it is that they said. This is something I learned from my coach at Fortune Management. Nothing in life has any meaning except the meaning I give it. So if you are getting emotionally involved with a comment that somebody made, then you've gotten way too attached to that comment. Get curious about what it is that they really meant. Vent outside the office. When I used to get frustrated, I would definitely show it in the office. I threw a mini Dr. temper tantrum, and this is totally inappropriate, and there were times where I embarrassed myself. What I've learned to do is when I get frustrated, I walk outside, I take a breath of fresh air and focus on my breathing. And I ask myself, what is it that I'm truly grateful for? This puts me in a different mindset so that I walk back inside the practice. I'm no longer frustrated. Wait to respond. There's a time and a place to respond. And when I'm upset with somebody, that's not the right time for me to respond. So I typically wait before I go back and respond to that person. Know when it's a good time to talk it out. Once again, there's a time and a place. And talking to somebody about something you're upset about in front of a patient or in front of other team members is not the right time or place. So make sure that you know when the right time is to talk it out. Have an escape phrase. And what I mean by that is have a go-to phrase so that when somebody wants to come talk to you about gossip, or somebody wants to complain or create drama in your office, just say something really simple to them like, you know what, I'm just not feeling real chatty right now. Have a go-to escape phrase that you use on a consistent basis. Or maybe it's something like, maybe you should offer that information to the person you're talking about. Maybe you should go tell someone who cares. That's a little insensitive, but it gets the point across, doesn't it? So make sure you have an escape phrase to go to in these types of situations. Never assume negative intent. This is so easy to do, isn't it? To assume that somebody is mad or angry or upset is so simple to do. So once again, get curious. Find out what it is that they meant or what their intention was when they were talking to you. Bring your issue directly to the person you have an issue with. This way, nobody else gets dragged into the mess. Keep it clean and remind people that if they have an issue, they need to take it directly to that person. That includes the doctors. If somebody has an issue with me, they need to bring it to me directly. Have a zero tolerance and high accountability culture. Key phrases in this type of situation are things like, it sounds like you need to talk to them about that real soon. Create a zero tolerance culture so that everyone knows you do not tolerate gossip or drama in your office. Be very open in the hiring process that you do not tolerate gossip, to the point where you say to people, we don't tolerate gossip in our office, and we don't tolerate drama in our office. And if we see it, it's grounds for dismissal. Be very clear about it from the onset. You can build a team that's free of drama. It's not something that you need to tolerate in your office. Follow these simple suggestions, and you will have a team that's free of drama. I hope that today's presentation helped you to build a team without drama, and I hope you make today great.